Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you'll learn on how to make a login page on Wix. So first thing that you should do is we have to open any of our web browser and then make sure to visit the Wix Studio. So to do that, just use the search bar at the top and then you just have to type out Wix Studio. So this one, and you'd be able to see this first website right here. So just click on it and you'd be directed to this page. Okay, so the next thing that you should do is to click on start creating. And if this is your first time here on Wix, so you just have to sign up for an account. Okay, and then after that, once you have logged into your account, you'd be able to see here all of the websites that you have created using the Wix Studio and the Wix editor. Okay, and if you don't have any sites yet, don't worry because you can create a new one. So just simply click on this option right here at the top right. So this one, create new site. So you can create a new site using a studio template or the studio blank canvas. But for this video, I am going to use my existing website. So after that, you will then just have to select your site. Okay, so just click on select site and then just wait for a couple of seconds. Don't worry because you just have to follow this process so you can make a login page here on Wix. Okay, so right here, once you have done selecting your site, you'd be directed to your site dashboard. So right here at the left side, we have this different options. We have the setup, the home option, getting paid, sales catalog, and the apps option. So I just have to simply click on the apps option and then click on app market. So this one, so when you click on it, you'd be directed to this page where you can use the search bar at the top to search for a specific application that you want to add to your Wix website. So what we're going to do is to use the search bar at the top and then choose the professional solutions to power our Wix website, which is the Wix members area. So just click on this application. Okay, and then just wait for a couple of seconds, and once done, you'd be able to see this add to site option. So you just have to simply click on this one. Okay, so once this application is added to your Wix website, we would be able to use this. But before that, let me just click on this go to editor option. So head over to the editor to place the Wix members area on your site or manage it from the dashboard. So let me just click on the go to editor option or click on the open option. Okay, so that's right. After that, you'd be directed to this page and you'd be able to see this option right here at the center. Okay, so just wait. And then after that, before we proceed to customizing our login page, I'm going to discuss first the different elements that we can add to our website. So right here, we have this add elements option at the very top. So when you click on it, you'll be able to see here different options or elements that we can add to our website. So we have text, image, buttons, strip, decorative boxes, and more. So I think the text option is the very useful one because we can actually use this to instruct or to inform our visitors on what they can do in our website. Okay, so we also have your image, so we can upload here relevant images for our website and more. Okay, so let us close the element section. Now let us go to the pages and menu. So when you click on this one, since we already added here the application, which is the Wix members area. So here, let me just add a section, and then assuming that we are going to add that application in this section. So let's go back to the side pages and menu, and then we have here the sign up and logged in option. So just click on it. And right here for the sign up and login, so we have member sign up from. This is the default one, and then the member login form, and then this one is default as well. Okay, so of course, since we are making a logged in page, select the member login page, and right here, which member logged in form do your visitors see? So here we can select default form, and then to view your site's sign up and logged in pages, click the publish and go to your live site. Here, which option shows first? So we have new member sign up and the existing member logged in. Here for the additional sign up settings, so just simply click on it and you'd be directed to your dashboard. Okay, and then for here, for the sign up and logged in security, so who can be a site member? So everyone who signs up or only people that you manually approve. Next is you can ask new members to confirm their email. You just have to toggle the switch on right here. Then you can also use a reCAPTCHA for sign up and log in so that you can know your visitors will need to confirm if they're human. So this helps you to block bots and automated attacks. Okay, and then after that, you'll then just have to click on save so that you can customize your site's sign up and logged in form. Okay, so let me just save this one before we go to the editor again. Okay, so I already click on save. Now let's click on leave. And then just wait for a couple of seconds and you'll be directed to our page once again. So let's go back to the pages and menu and go to the sign up and logged in. Then here under the sign up and logged in, just click on the settings and then select the custom form. Here you can add a custom logged in form. Okay, so now just have to wait for a couple of seconds until you added this form to your site. Okay, and then this is how it looks. So to test it, we can click on the publish option at the very top right of our screen and see if this logged in option is working. Okay, so now just click on visit site or view site. And then right here, as you can see at the top right, we can see the logged in option. So you can actually customize this one and place it accordingly. So when someone clicked on it, they'd be able to see here they can sign up with Google. You can also sign up with Facebook, or if they don't have an account yet, then they can sign up if you're going to add the sign up option as well. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.